Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on Streetzies bunny heels, and typically when I do a clothing review or a fashion review it's on a big bundle from a shop, but every once in a while an item comes along that is just so special that you just want to show it off to the whole world, so that's what I'm doing today. I'll start off by showing you guys the packaging in which I received the shoes. So you can see the box has the name Streetzies and there's their website on the side. I'll show you there. So the first thing I noticed when I opened the lid of the box is that they put the extra heel attachments inside right up here in case, you know, the little part comes off. You can go ahead and replace it there without having to buy your own, so that's a plus. So I've already untied my shoes and I can't fix it the way that they did it so pretty, but I'll just show you here. When you take the shoe out, there is a ribbon that secures them in place, so during shipping they don't get jumbled around and get damaged in any way, especially just because the quality of these shoes and how they are, you just don't want any kind of scuff marks or any damage to the fur or anything like that. And so this is the slipper itself. Give you guys a better view. They're really just so pretty and delicate. They come in several colors. They have, first of all, they have kitties and then they have bunnies as well. I opted for the bunnies just because it's one of my favorite animals and it's a little bit more girly and vintage. They have several colors including pink, blue, it's like a baby blue color. They have gray and black. So there's plenty of options, you know, all those colors match everything, so you should be able to find one that you love. The quality of the fur is really nice. It's thick. There's no like empty patches on the shoe anywhere that I can see. There's no glue seams or anything, any kind of scuffs or marks on the heel itself. It's just completely shiny and really, really well crafted. The other thing is that when I open the box, there's a little card on the inside that comes with it. So it tells you how to brush the fur in the direction of the red arrow to keep your bunny heels looking really pristine and nice and fluffy. Because with the way the fur is, it tells you how to brush it to the side here and then ears up and then this down. So it just keeps them looking really nice. Other than that, these have honestly just become my new favorite shoe. This is a closet staple for sure, especially if you're into like super girly or like vintage items. I feel like this is very pinup style. I will go ahead and attach the link in my description below so you guys can go ahead and take a look at their website and maybe purchase your own pair of Streetzies. They're definitely a must-have for any girly girl. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll have more videos coming up soon, so just be sure to keep an eye out and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.